How to start a campfire. The ultimate guide to choosing the best wood. Are you planning a camping trip or a backyard bonfire party and want to know how to start a campfire? Starting a campfire may seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. In this article, we'll go over the best types of wood to burn and easy steps to start a campfire. Choosing the best wood. Before we start, it's important to choose the best type of wood for your campfire. Not all types of wood are created equal. You want to choose dry, seasoned wood that will burn hot and long. Here are some of the best types of wood to use for a campfire. Hardwoods. Hardwoods like oak, hickory, and maple burn hot and long, making them perfect for a campfire. They also produce less smoke than softwoods. Softwoods. Softwoods like pine and cedar burn quickly and produce a lot of smoke. They're great for kindling and getting your fire started, but not ideal for a long-lasting campfire. Fruitwoods. Fruitwoods like apple and cherry burn slowly and produce a sweet aroma, making them great for cooking over a campfire. Starting a campfire. Now that you know the best types of wood to use, let's go over the easy steps to start a campfire. Step 1. Choose the right location. Choose a safe location for your campfire. It should be at least 15 feet away from tents, trees, and other flammable objects. Make sure the ground is clear of debris and dry. Step 2. Gather your wood. Gather your wood in 3 piles: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Tinder is small, dry materials like dry leaves, paper, or dry grass. Kindling is small sticks or twigs. Fuel is larger logs. Step 3. Build your fire. Place the tinder in the center of your fire pit. Build a teepee-like structure with the kindling around the tinder, leaving space for air to flow. Light the tinder from underneath, and blow on it gently to help it catch fire. As the kindling catches fire, add larger pieces of fuel. Step 4. Maintain your fire. Once your campfire is burning, it's important to maintain it. Keep adding fuel to the fire as needed to keep it burning hot and bright. Remember to never leave your fire unattended and always extinguish it completely before leaving. Starting a campfire is easy with the right materials and steps. Remember to choose the best type of wood for your fire, and always practice fire safety. Now you're ready to enjoy a night under the stars with a cozy campfire.